Here are 5 things that drone pilots need to know about Class A airspace. Number 1, Class A airspace is not on your Part 107 exam, but you should know that it exists and some of the rules around Class A airspace. Number 2, Class A airspace starts at 18,000 feet MSL or mean sea level and extends up to and including flight level 600 or 60,000 feet. Number 3, Class A airspace is always on instrument flight rules, so IFR. So you'd always be on an instrument flight rules or IFR flight plan. Therefore, as a drone pilot, you will never fly in Class A airspace. And since it is a requirement to be on an IFR flight plan, a clearance, an air traffic control clearance, is required to fly in Class A airspace. And finally, Class A airspace is generally used for military use and commercial airliners. You generally won't see small general aviation airplanes in Class A airspace. There are some that will fly up there, but generally speaking, you'll see more commercial and military aircraft in Class A airspace. So those are 5 things that remote pilots should know about Class A airspace, even though it's not in the Part 107 exam.